tumble track. We got the 20-foot long one by 8 inches thick by 3.3 feet wide. So they do make different ones that are not as thick. I think there's like a 6-inch. Look into that. I'm not like some professional or something, but anyways, this is the pump that it came with right here, and it's very heavy. That the way they wrapped it up. Paid $599 on eBay. I'll leave a picture of the post where we got it from. We just ready to unwind it. This valve right here on the pump, you can unlock it. See how it locks in? And this way you would blow it up on this side, and on the reverse side it would suck it up. So it's pretty simple to use. You turn this on and off, and we're gonna go ahead and blow this thing up any second now. Uh-oh, is it too long? No. No, that's good. So we got 20 feet here. Now we gotta locate the valve where you pump it from. Really thick material. Got some Velcro over here. Oh, here it is right here. Got a valve, you turn that. You got the head on here, just show you guys. Probably just put it in and turn it. Or maybe not. Oh, you got to get one of those heads. It came with heads in the box. Turns and pumps it up. There's like a few other ones right there. You insert it and you twist a little bit hard. Oh, you actually got to push in and twist pretty hard. That's in there. Now you're going to twist this thing on too. Now we're ready to pump. Hit the switch. I'm guessing it's probably going to take about 3 minutes. I think it's pretty solid now. Oh yeah, that's hard as a rock. Dang, I didn't even expect it to be like that, but I guess it is. So turn this off. What I had to do was, when I disconnected this thing right here, but I couldn't record for you guys, all I did is turn it that way, I released it, and it started to lose air, so I put the plug in and I twisted it clockwise, and that locked it in. This thing is pretty solid. I'm gonna have my kid do a little flip for you guys so you guys can see what it's all about. And that'll be about it for this review. 20 foot long, 8 inches thick, 3.3 feet wide, if you didn't catch that. Pretty long. We could put this out in the front yard on a nice hot day, and she could practice outside. Oh.